we're gonna take this wig off. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to like pull on them, but oh, I know how to grow them back, Bookie. Now let's look at that, baby. Now she's definitely gonna have to like soak in something so I can take all this glue off. You see, I need to take this off of the wig. And it's actually, I like to do it when I take off my wig. I like to take off the excess glue, you know what I mean, so that I don't end up like the orange wig, because when you just leave it there, it's way much more harder to take it off because it's like smudged into the frontal, and I don't want to deal with that. Cut off as much glue as I can. I just don't want it to be looking like, you know, crazy. And I'm gonna put it in an Ulta bag, you know me? These are 6. But this one is like just throw on wig. Jesus. Ooh. Wow. That feels really nice right there. Let me show y'all harmful chemicals. Even though I'm not using Kiss, it's Ghost Bond, but I just feel like it works for either one. I'm gonna pour. She just gave it to me, like, she gave it to me. It is taking it, honey, like, I am taking it, honey, period. First, I'm gonna moisturize my lips because they be ashy, man. Let's start with our wig cap. I normally don't be putting on wigs. I normally don't be putting on the wig cap, but we're gonna put it on this time, you feel me? But first, let me spray my hair with some water. I don't have no more rice water, no more rosemary water, but we're gonna make that. And then we're going to be doing natural hair tutorials. These don't even look like braids anymore, but I am not rebraiding them. Okay, Bookie, I got my nails on. I'm not. If I ask my mom, she might do it, you know? I could ask her. And I go to work tomorrow, so I better figure out how I'm going to do my hair. Now that feels really nice. Okay, baby, hang time. Now I'm going to just put my wig cap on. You feel me? I haven't installed a cap in like forever, so please, baby, work with me. We finna slay this hair, all right? That's just on period. If you guys are watching this and you're not subscribed yet, Bookie, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Why you gotta be a fake bitch? Why you gotta be one of those? Period. Why? Like, that's crazy to me. I don't know if the wig cap is too small or my head is just mad big, bro. I don't know if it's my head that's just mad big or the wig cap is just extremely small and extremely tight. Let's create some holes. I'm gonna use this eyebrow cutter to just make an air hole. Ooh. We don't want it to be too big, Mookie. I don't know how people get this part to be so flat. Maybe I'm just like not stretching it right, or my head's just not shaped that way where it just stays down and doesn't like flip up. Now I'm gonna cut this lace. Hopefully it's glued enough, because that took like, it was pretty quick, so I really hope I did it right. You feel me? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna cut off all that lace. We got, now we got the hard part. Now we got the hard part over with. I'm just gonna tie this into a knot back here. Whoop, hurry up. Slay boogie. What I'm gonna do is put a foundation on top of it, which I don't know if I should do that now or should I fix these edges. Baby, stay up, boogie. Stay up. And don't try to play yourself right now. This smells so good. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be installing this wig that they sent me. It is a braided wig, Cloud 9, full lace. Okay, inches is 36, and it's a twisted wig. You feel me? Instead of me doing the braids and stuff like that, let's see how this wig looks. Okay, it smells new. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so it's 100% full hand tied, 100% premium fiber. This is a full lace, individually braided stranded, natural edges with baby hair, adjustable strap, and wig band for more secure fit, lightweight braiding hair. Hot water set. So I can also dip this in hot water, and it's gonna have the effect I needed to have to curl it. If you want to curl your hair, you can do it. Just put it in hot water. Alright, you guys see this? It's making. What's this? Oh, that's the end of the braids. Wow. I'm more excited about the fact that this is like a full lace, so I can part it any way I want without it looking like a wig cap. So it definitely comes with an adjustable strap, just in case you don't want to glue it down or any of that. It also has 3 combs, actually. 3 combs, one right here. Wait, let's get a better view. One right here, one on each side, and one in the middle. Period, bookie. Let me try this on real quick with this adjustable band strap. Okay. Dry scalp, baby, but it's okay. Let's get right into it. I don't know if I should use this one. I think it does. Hold up. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna be using the matte poreless Fit Me by Maybelline foundation. I'll put it on here. I don't even wear foundations, so the fact that we got one to cover our wig, and then I'm gonna put powder over it. Amazing. But I'm gonna put some on this tissue here, and then take one of my brushes and dab that in there. And then, because I don't want it to be like blotched in certain areas. See the inside of this wig? I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna swipe it on the wig, just like that. A swipe, swipe, swipe. And guys, I was just like, let me put her on the mannequin stand so that you guys can get like a better look at what exactly I'm working with. Like, do you guys see the fact that you could part this wig any way you want it and it looks completely real? Like, I'm just like, yo, this wig, I'm super surprised at how it turned out. Normally when I put foundation underneath the cap, like I showed you guys before, it shows through it. But this wig has 2 caps on it. It has the HD on it, and it also has another one. So I'm actually working with 2 like laces at the same exact time, which is why you won't be able to see the color of me coloring the cap. It won't show because of the second lace that this wig has. So I just individually go throughout the whole entire hair, all of the parts, and I just put concealer on it. And then I'm gonna color my head, the entire cap, because this is a full lace. First time ever wearing a full lace. It's giving almost close to ball cap. Comes with this baby little edges and stuff like that. Oh, period. First things first, we gonna flip her back, and then we gonna put some ghost pond on that. Period. And that's the air. This is not good. It's drying real fast. It's dropping out already. I like it's how it's gonna just come on, Bookie. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Let's just do it. I'm gonna spread it out. Alright, so do not pull your wig down. You know what I mean? Wait till time to wait. I'm loving it. And drink your water, Bookies. And that's definitely not water. I'm just super excited about this wig because it looks really nice, to be honest with you. I was pretty surprised about this wig that they sent me because it's like, oh my god, you guys are sending me a wig? I just want to make sure everything is secure before I get to the cutting. We're gonna see how it looks in the morning, you feel me, when I wake up and I do my makeup, because tomorrow I gotta go to work and then I gotta do some errands, I gotta get some stuff. So we're gonna wrap this hair up. Headband is already on, secured. I'm gonna keep it on for the whole night, you feel me. It's not on too tight, but yeah, we're gonna do that, and that's just on period. If you guys have not smelled this before, I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. I'm finna scrub it up, dub, in the bathtub. You better scrub it up, dub, for you have the tension. I'm gonna heat up some of that pasta that I had the other day, and yeah, in the morning we're gonna beat our face to the gods, you feel me? Where is my bonnet? It's still in the night, not even in the morning yet, but I'm just like, you feel me, redoing the parting. I'm actually making the parts a little bit more bigger so that it looks like scalp, because the way the hair is looking now, I'm so happy that I colored it. I kind of wish that I can look behind my head, but you feel me, I had to freestyle back there because it's kind of like, damn. Now I'm going to style it. I decided to want to put in 2 little pigtails, 2 ponytails, because I feel like it's super cute. So I'm going to leave it in this style all night, and then I'm going to spray some Got2b glue on the front and on the hair too, just so that I can keep it flat in all areas. And then we're going to put our headband on, and that's just on period. Yeah, guys, I was not sleeping with those 2 pigtails in my head, but yeah, I want a half up and half down hairstyle, so that's what I'm gonna wear. This is how the hair turned out. I really do love it. It gives natural bouquet. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed watching me instill this wig, that's just on period. Give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see next, guys. Jeez, I'm not even gonna hold you. I really love the way this wig looks. I didn't think it would come out like this good, to be honest with you, but oh my gosh. And then I did my makeup on TikTok, guys. You feel me? Because, you know, they're about to get rid of TikTok, so why not just do, you know, little quickies on there and then just come back on the YouTube. But if you guys are not following me on my social medias, make sure you guys look in the description box. You feel me? Especially for some videos that you guys could have missed because you couldn't have seen them. If you're not, you feel me? If you're not tapped in, definitely look into the description box below and you'll see videos, you'll see my Instagram, you'll see some good stuff. You feel me? And upcoming videos coming too. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye, Bookie. I'm sorry, but this blur effect, Bookie, is looking pretty nice, but we need you to focus. Baby, focus on me.